Welcome to another video on Mastermind Maths with Maths Olympic question. Can you solve it? Pause the video and try it. So let's start it. On the left hand side we see that 2 is undivided, so it can be multiplied to the right side. So we will multiply it to the right side. On the left hand side we see that we have e power minus m. We have to make it power positive, so we can write it as 1 by e power m. Now we will multiply e power m on both sides. On the left hand side we will try to solve it, so it will become e power m whole square minus 1. On the left hand side, e power m whole square will convert into e power 2m. Now we will shift all the term to left side. Now we will separate e power m, so later on we will substitute it. Now we have get quadratic equation in the form of e power m, so it can be compared with the general quadratic equation. So a will equal to 1, b will equal to minus 2 and c will equal to minus 1. Now we will apply quadratic formula. Now we will try to simplify it. 4 plus 4 will become 8. Now we will convert under root 8 into 2 under root 2. So that 2 will get cancelled with 2. So we will get e power m equal to 1 plus minus under root 2. Now here is a question from you. Is e power m equal to 1 minus under root 2 is not possible. So we will take e power m equal to 1 plus under root 2. Now you have to answer why 1 minus under root 2 is not possible. Now we will taking log on both sides, so that on the left hand side log and e will get cancelled, so we will get m equal to log 1 plus under root 2, which is final answer.
Thanks for watching.